Hi, in this video I will show you how to do the 3D zoom on the CapCut. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, you need to open the CapCut application and then you have to click on the new project, or simply if you have opened one project, click on it. I open one project from here. Now you have to insert some video in your timeline. Once you will insert some video, now you have to tap on the clip and split it, delete it from here, and now click on this add button. Once you will click on it, add your pictures from here, and once you will click on the pictures, you have to tap on the picture, and now you have to scroll to the left your menu bar, and here you have to click on the style from here. Once you will click on the style, now you will see 3D zoom effect. Tap on it. Once you will done with it, now you can play it and you will see 3D zoom effect is applied. Now click on the stick button and add some music in the background, or you can add new pictures. Also you can adjust your picture timing according to your beat. So once you will do it, save it to your phone. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.